Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making vegan laddu. No sugar, no jaggery. Healthy recipe. Half teaspoon ghee optional. Carrot 1 cup. Grated carrot. Beetroot grated 1 cup. Saute on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Almond milk 1 cup. You can use normal milk as well. Cook on medium heat for 15 minutes until milk absorb. Now it's ready. Please turn off the flame, keep aside, let it cool on room temperature. Meanwhile, dates 1 cup, almond half cup, cashew half cup, chop roughly. Now add beetroot and carrot, cooked beetroot and carrot. Mix everything. Perfect consistency. Desiccated coconut. Make small balls. Dip in desiccated coconut. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Healthy vegan laddu is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.